Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Future best cats are being taken off service, so we're making a farewell video. Yeah, that's what this video is. So I'm going to be telling you the reason why they've been taken off service. And see if we can guess one. So I know there's 3 operating today. We're here in Perth City. So first, a little history lesson on transport. If you saw my short on Square Light NH, you would know that they they're the Future Bus Cat. Oh, what? Another Future Bus Cat. Okay, they're the Future Bus Cat. That's so cool. They're the Future Bus Cat, everybody, Future Bus Cat. So they're getting taken off service because they're gonna get out the old stuff, make room for the new stuff. So they used to be before Future Bus Cat, before they got the B8 cats, they had the OC 500 LE cat. Sorry for basically they had even older cats. I'm not going to cross the road and make that bus. Because there's one running on the yellow cat. Plus I want the history lesson plus this cool thing up in the flesh. I'm just trying to spot security on it, so graffiti. They're actually really nice. Inside, I've been on one with a YouTuber called TP3001. We went on one day. So when we were just basically, he has transport content just like me, but his style's a little bit different to my style. My style's in the format that I do daily uploads. Okay, there's West Cat, and there's one of the buses that I just hopped off on. Oh, 2510! Oh, no, 3510. I always say 2510, I swear. Oh, any 35, I always say 20. Any bus that's 30, it has number 30 in it, or 30, I'll say 33, 30, 32, 33, 34 and 25 X buses. I'll always say 20, 22, 23, 24, 25 X buses. Other transport enthusiasts can grind your gears, but we're here at the stoppage, waiting for our service. Sunday and 8-minute frequency. That's 980. So I know that one of them is I know one of the cats is a Future Bus. 2 of them are on this one Future Bus cat. I saw one, 2 actually. I saw 2, one on the rail station on the way back, and one I was walking over to the stand to film. 980, give them the go. Unfortunately, central areas now is becoming pretty dull. They got rid of the gas buses. The electric buses aren't even in service in Perth. Why are the Joondalup CATs got the electric ones before the Perth CATs? No one uses the Joondalup CATs. Oh, there's 950 just over there. 950. Just telling me stuff. Next cat that comes in. not a future bus, I'll just hop on it just so I can give a history lesson inside a cat bus. I'd like it to be a future bus cat, but never said it will be. If it's even red, I don't really care. If it's yellow or red, I don't really care which is a future bus. As long as it's a future bus or any other cat. Because if you've... 4004 has actually been in the middle of testing right now. So... Future Bus Cat! Here we are! Here it is! Here's the Future Bus Cat! Oh my god! It's here! It's here, the cat! It's here! Alright, we're doing a history lesson. Alright, here we are. Here's the Future Bus Cat. We're going to be boarding 2141. It's the number we're boarding. How does that sound? How does 2141 sound? And behind it is a Optimus cat. Anyway, let's do a history lesson. They're actually running the so these are, here we are. My profile picture is a Future Bus Cat. Fun fact, if you've ever looked at my profile picture, you would know that it's a Future Bus Cat. Okay, so as we can see, it's got the Future Bus interior. Don't forget this seat. Oh, seats in this bus. They're not padded. I love this.
Ringbound for Yagan Square, a light for Perth Busport.
So, the Future Bus CAT has been operating since 2010 and has this seat with 65 max capacity. There are less seats in the Future Bus CAT because they have made this. I don't know why they did this. I'm trying to spot some more Future Bus CAT.
This stop is Yagan Square, a light for Perth Busport.
So, the bus is already full.
Ringbound for Arena.
So this bus is going to go to Leaderville. We'll get off and head back. So these buses are going to be taken off service once they get all the electric cats. So they're going to be getting 18 electric buses. So they're going to be taking all of these off and replacing them with the electric version. As you can see, there's no padding in these seats anymore. They're so old. Now this is going. They run the yellow cat specifically. It runs between Claysbrook and Leaderville station. So we're going to go all the way down to Leaderville. I think it runs to Leaderville station. I don't know, but we'll just get off at Termini and then we'll just catch it back and. I'll just talk for this video. So, as a send-off for the Future Bus CAT, I'll be riding 2141. I have to keep remembering that. It's not the oldest one I've seen today.
Ringbound for Watertown.
The oldest one I've seen. As you can see, they can't use them because they have the Optimus bell pan and these buses go beep. They can't use any cats after they've been used. And the Future Bus is one example. Horn, but all buses horns are weird. But okay, I'm making tangents. Okay, start from the beginning. So Future Bus cats are gonna be taken off service sometime this year, if not a little bit into next year. Then we're gonna begin taking off FFTP 3001. Yeah, a lot of people get off at water.
This stop is Watertown.
Cats also have speakers, like Square Light and HSL. They have speakers because they used to use them as cats.
Harold Bowers Gardens.
And up in Mandurah as well. They also used to use OC500 LEs as cat up in Perth. NH is up in Joondalup and OC's up in Fremantle. Fremantle cats are now taken off service. I think they've been taken off service permanently. A gimmick cats that
This
used to
stop
like
is
this.
Harold Bowers Gardens.
Which, for me personally, I love the idea of this. Just like board and just throw.
Ring Balfour, Collins Street.
The idea of it is just to have this down, even though this one is. You can fold it down. No padding on these. They're the most comfortable thing. There we are. So there's a yellow cat. I'm going to be going to Termini. There it is. Now they're getting taken off service this year, next year, because they're getting electric cat buses, as I've said, and they will be probably sold. These buses, and I can't really use them. So yeah, that's really what's going to be happening to them. But any more info, I'll be making up.
This stop is Collins Street.
So
Ring Balfour, Perth Modern.
So now is the time to enjoy a future bus. Give you engine noises for the next, I'll say 2 minutes. Maybe for the video, I'll talk and then we'll go out and then I'll just talk a little bit more and yeah. section seats have. And also the iconic flatback future bus seats that I call them. I call them flatback seats. Listen to this noise. Listen, I'm gonna put some lights there. That's just broken. Alright, so yeah, that's a farewell to Future Bus CAT. A little history lesson, a little engine noise, and a little bit of me getting the green cat confused with yellow cat. Anyway, I best be off now. I'll see you later. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. And as I said, hopefully be the Midland video. I made a post about it on the 1st. I'm bummed out. Okay, I'm gonna break my watch. I'm breaking the I just was tapping a little hard. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next Midland video. Which I think it will be. I've made Midland